In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the WordPress post ID in just 5 minutes. If you're working with WordPress, whether you're a developer or a site owner, there will likely come a time when you'll need to find the ID of a post. Post IDs are crucial for many plugins, shortcodes, or when you're trying to manipulate specific elements via code. Let's kick things off by visiting wordpress.com. This site is more than just a blog hosting service. It's a full-fledged platform that allows you to build websites, sell products, and much more. So head over to wordpress.com to get started. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the home page. If you've connected your Google account with WordPress, you can streamline the login process by clicking on Continue with Google. This method is not only faster, but reduces the number of passwords you need to remember. Following this step, you'll see a list of Google accounts you're currently logged into or you have used previously on your device. Select the account you wish to use for logging into WordPress. After choosing your Google account, you might be prompted to confirm your choice and possibly even re-enter your password, depending on your account's security settings. Once Google verifies it's you, you'll be redirected back to WordPress, logged in and ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to My Home dashboard of your WordPress site. This is essentially the command center for your website, where you can customize it, write new posts, and much more. For the task at hand, you'll want to navigate to the Posts section of your dashboard. You may need to hover over or click on a few options to find it, depending on your dashboard's layout. Within the Posts section, select All Posts. This page will list all the posts you've created on your WordPress site. Each post's title, author, categories and tags are typically displayed here, but what we're really after in this instance is not visible on this page itself. For the magic step, pay close attention to your browser's address bar while you're on the All Posts page. You're looking for the URL that currently appears in your browser's address bar. The structure of this URL is important because it contains the post ID we are looking for. Typically, this URL will end with a number. This is your post ID. It represents the unique identifier for any given post within the WordPress database. The post ID can be incredibly useful for a variety of tasks, from customizing your themes to working with plugins that require a specific post ID to function correctly. For instance, if you're trying to exclude a post from appearing in a certain section of your website, you'll need its ID to do so. It's important to keep in mind that these steps can vary slightly depending on the theme and plugins you have installed in your WordPress. However, the basic premise of finding the post ID from the URL should remain pretty consistent across different setups. Remember, while the post ID is a useful piece of information, it should be used with care, especially when making changes to your site's code or settings. Sometimes altering settings or code without fully understanding the implications can lead to unexpected results on your website. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process of finding a WordPress post ID for you. With this knowledge, you can now delve deeper into customizing your WordPress site to better suit your needs or resolve specific issues that require the post ID. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips and in-depth tutorials on managing your WordPress site like a pro. See you in the next video.